So we are going to start with the channel review today, and I'm going to be doing this with you all. I've not reviewed the channel, I've not even opened anybody's channel. I'm going to be uploading it here on camera with you. The thing is, you are also going to gain from this because it might be what someone is doing that you are also doing on your channel. So you are also going to gain from this particular video. Okay, the first one is the prosuchi lady. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it the wrong way, but seeing this space, right? Okay, so she has 2.6k subscribers and 249 videos. Let's just log into her channel and see. Okay, so let's go to her playlist. That's where I go to first, right? So we can see that she has her channel organized. That's the first thing. So do you have your own channel organized? Now we have CY's reactions. That means I'm figuring she does reactions, then tutorials on her videos, and maybe lifestyle because she has CY space. But let's see her description. So it says, hello viewers, welcome to the channel here. Welcome to the channel here. We keep you entertained through music reaction videos. Stay tuned always. Music reaction. Oh, okay. So she reacts to music. Why is this thing shifting? So she does music reactions on her videos. So let's go to her first video, or let's check her playlist and see the first one. This one has 43. Okay, so this first video she uploaded 13 days ago, and if we see her other ones, the one following was uploaded 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, 1 month ago. So I'm supposing she uploads twice a month or so. Cindy Space, let us know, because the other one was 13 days ago, then 2 weeks ago. So I'm supposing she uploads twice a month. I don't know why, but like we've always said, consistency is good. The more you upload, actually, the more views you'll be getting, the more people will be able to see you, because the more you are showing up in their faces, the more you get registered in their brains. Do you understand? So that's the first thing I would say. Maybe the inconsistency might need to be improved on. Guys, just follow me, we are watching this together, right? So we can see that she started her video with her graphical introduction, and then she started with introducing herself again. The thing is, people do not even know you yet, or maybe many people, even if people know you first, at first you should be having maybe like millions of subscribers before you first start with introducing, giving every detail about yourself, every genesis about yourself, because this is 17 minutes gone and she has not even started the reaction yet, right? So let's continue. Cindy Space, we love you. Okay, so let's just continue, right? um then we got here and we've lost sound. The sound is no longer there, and it's something that can make people to easily click off your videos. Do you understand? So Cindy Space, this is something that you really need to work on. Okay, let me just fast forward and see. Okay, so I don't know whether it's because of this screen record that I cannot hear what the woman is singing, but I don't know. When I'm editing, I'll see it, but we cannot hear right now, right? So that is one thing Cindy Space needs to really work on, your audio quality. Like, you really need to look into your channel, unless you might not get people to actually watch. And remember, if you want me to look into the analytics of your channel, you can register on my one-on-one class. We'll look into your channel together and see, and then answer your questions, whatever it is that you want, okay? So let's just see any of her other videos. Let's see this video having 930 views. So another thing I can see, or I can notice here, is Cindy's Space video quality is needs to be improved on, and I know that after Cindy watches this, she's really going to improve on it. So guys, we can watch her channel, right? Because I'm sure that she's going to be doing so much good stuff on her channel. And of course, it looks like a very interesting one. In fact, it's an interesting channel. It's just that there's one or two things that she just needs to improve on. Okay, so let's see. So aside the fact that she's still introducing herself at 14 seconds here and counting, the audio quality also is not very good. So you can decide to invest in a mic. I know that even this my mic go, I still need to get a better mic, a much better mic, so I don't have to be holding it like this. I can just pin it because once I pin this one like this, Otilo, you will not hear me very well. So seeing this space, your audio quality, your video quality, your intro matters. Let's see in this space outro because we already know what's inside the video. Okay, very good. Cindy has. Okay, so Cindy's outro, she already placed her end screens, which is also a good thing, right? And she told people let them know what they feel concerning her own videos. Let me see if people made comments on this video. Let's just okay. She has 4 comments. Let's see. Please react to Gabriel Henrik. So, Cindy, can you say that people are actually interested in your channel? But let me tell you, if you can decide to improve on all of these things, your intro, your outro, your audio quality, your video quality, trust me, people are going to flood your channel. People are really going to flood your channel. So that's the one. That's today's. We are going to stop there on today's video for Cindy, and I'm going to be going to Hassan Taiwo's video, the next one maybe tomorrow. I'm going to upload this video once I'm done editing it. I'll be uploading maybe twice a day because of these channel reviews, because I have 20 channels to review. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you need more tips on what I do to grow on my channel, please go ahead and watch the playlist on your screen right now. As I would always say, do not skip my ads. You're welcome to join this family. If you've not given this a thumbs up, do well to give it a thumbs up and go back and watch this video again to see what she did that was wrong. All right, bye. You guys should also support her. Okay, bye.